Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video we will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy M40, a newly launched smartphone from Samsung. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is the box. On top of the box there's a picture of M40, where we can clearly see it as a punch hole camera. So Samsung claims that this is the first smartphone under the budget segment of 20,000 to have a punch hole display. After opening up the box, we have mobile itself on top. So on my first impression, it looks very shiny, and we have triple camera on the back. So let's keep it aside and see what are the other things inside the box. We have wall jack adapter, which is of 15 watt. We have Type-C cable and free earphones. Let's boot up the smartphone for the first time. By the time it boots up, let's check out the physical overview about the smartphone. On the right hand side, it has power button, volume rocker key. Coming onto the top, it has secondary noise cancellation mic. On the left hand side, it has dual SIM slots, on which one is a hybrid SIM card slot. Coming onto the bottom, we have primary microphone, Type-C port and speaker. Let's check out the quick specification about the smartphone. This smartphone comes with Snapdragon 675 processor and Adreno 612 GPU. It has 3500 huge battery and 15 watt charger that comes inside the box. This is the 6GB RAM variant, which coupled with 128GB of inbuilt storage. It comes with gyroscope and all the basic sensor. It also supports NFC and Dolby Atmos. For the pricing details, do check the description. Coming onto the back, we have triple camera setup. The primary camera is 32 megapixel with f1.7 aperture. The secondary camera is 8 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture, and the third one is 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture with LED flash. Beneath that, we have fingerprint sensor and Samsung branding. The back is completely made up of plastic and which looks shiny. Coming onto the front end side, it has 6.3-inch Infinity O Full HD Plus TFT display. There's a 16 megapixel f2.0 camera inside the Infinity O display. You can see it, the punch hole on the left hand side, which looks really cool. On my initial impression, the display looks really good. On the storage perspective, out of 128GB, we have 105GB of free storage available on the first initial boot up. On the memory, we have 3GB of free RAM available for usage on the first boot up. So there are a few pre-installed apps inside the UI where you can uninstall the apps if you don't want one. So let's check out the camera interface and the shutter speed. The camera interface looks very much similar to all the M series device. Coming on to the shutter speed, it looks really fast, even with the wide angle shots and the normal shots, even with the live focus, the shutter speed is really quick. So these were some of the sample images that I've taken with the camera. Do check out the images and let me know what your thoughts on the sample image. Image looks really cool, and there is a bit of over sharpening here and there, but I can see the details are really good, and there are few shots where the details are really flat. I think there is improvement needed in the camera section in the outdoor condition, especially when you're taking some good snaps with your friends. Talking about the selfie camera, the selfie images are really good, even the normal mode as well as in the portrait mode. Both the shots came out really well. So I will test the camera further. I will try to bring you the in-depth camera review in few days. Do let me know what you think about the image quality about the smartphone. Talking about the benchmarks, it scored around 1,71,000 in Antutu benchmark. So it looks a promising device. I will test the device further in order to get you the full in-depth review with all the pros and cons. Do let me know what you think about the mobile, and if you have any queries or if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to compare this device with any other smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. Hope you guys like this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. This is Thames signing off. Hope to see you in my next video.